The Mystery of the Old Castle. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was an old castle. The castle was very big and very old. Many people said it was haunted. They heard strange noises at night. The villagers were afraid to go near it. One sunny day, a girl named Lucy decided to explore the castle. She was curious and brave. Lucy took her flashlight and went to the castle. The big wooden door creaked as she opened it. Inside, the castle was dark and dusty. Cobwebs hung from the ceilings. Lucy walked slowly through the castle. She saw old pictures on the walls. They showed kings and queens from long ago. Lucy imagined what life was like in the castle. She thought about the parties and the music. Suddenly, Lucy heard a noise. It was coming from a room at the end of the hall. Her heart raced, but she was not scared. She walked to the room and opened the door. Inside, she found a little dog. The dog looked lost and sad. "Don't be afraid," Lucy said. "I will help you." She picked up the dog and took him outside. The sun was shining, and the dog wagged his tail. From that day, Lucy and the dog became friends. They visited the castle often. The villagers saw them and were not afraid anymore. They learned that the old castle was not scary. It was a place for adventures and friendship. Lucy made the castle a happy place again, and so the mystery of the old castle was solved.